Welcome to the night and welcome to the Furama Villas. We're gonna go and have a little stroll to the Furama Resort and then we're gonna have a walking tour.
But
Huh?
I don't think I tell them we're going to resort.
It's okay.
Should I tell them that?
Then we'll drive to the front and we'll just tell him.
Where do you go?
To the resort. So this is the lifetime way to the resort from the villas. And then we're gonna check out the resort where two other pools are. As you can see here, all the pool villas. This is the front office over there for the villas. There you also check in there. Now we're on the way to the resort.
This is the master of bushy.
Yeah. And here, this is a walkway to the beach, a public beach. And in between, there's also a children playground. And this is the main street.
You go outside?
No.
Oh. Bushy.
Bushy.
Looks like a jungle here.
Yes. Oh, what are they doing?
Giờ 4 cái bánh là lẩu.
This place is so big. Oh, there's a tennis court. Good people. Tennis, not pickleball. But they have a pickleball court too. I think they have 8 pickleball courts. Now, this is one convention center, yeah? A small one. Compared to the big ones they have on the other side. And this is the main entrance to the Furama Resort. Oh, look at this. Ah, it's S-Class, not a real Maybach. All right, we made it. Okay, go on. All right, guys. Ciao. Okay, we are in the lobby of the Furama Resort, where we've been the last time. It's so nice and cool here. It's such a nice breeze. Beautiful. The last time we were here, it was Valentine's Day. Look at this, they have a yoga master here. This is the Cafe Indochine, where they have the breakfast and the all-you-can-eat buffet, the seafood buffet. Actually, I have a reservation for there today, so it's also gonna be in my video on the villas. I think on the last time we filmed the Italian restaurant, the Don Cipriani's. It also looks very nice. Let's check it out. Look at the bushy entrance. Beautiful. They also have some kind of clay pot lunch menu, I think. But yeah, look at this, how beautiful this looks. Don Cipriani's. We're gonna also explore a little bit more of bushiness and the lagoon pool. So this is the entrance to the Italian restaurant, and this is the buffet restaurant over there. Ciao. Hello. No, thank you. We're just making a tour. Yeah. Thank you.
Are you looking for the restaurant?
No.
Yeah.
It's all good. Thank you. I got my wife with me here, and this is a double infinity pool. This is where we're gonna chill out today also. It's also, it's a little bit cloudy today. It rained last night, so it's not the best conditioning again. We're so unlucky, but it's actually good. It's a little bit too hot if it's not cloudy. You can have surfing over here. Very nice lounges. And this is the way to the beachfront rooms and suites. And I think the last time I had, a beachfront suite. Very nice. So you're definitely gonna check this out after this walk here. I did a whole review on that place here. It's very nice. It was my hotel review number 100. Double infinity pool. Very nice. And I think down there you can get the stand-up paddleboard. Ha, servus. Ha? Ja, aber jetzt bin ich im Villas gerade. Ah, okay. Okay, gefällt's euch? Okay, super. Okay, toll. Great. So he just said he watched my old video and that's why they're staying here. And he likes it. I think my videos got a huge impact on the hotel industry here. But yeah, beautiful. I really like this. This beach part is also so nice. However, it is a far way to the beach, to the water. But at least with this here, it's a little bit easier to walk. And they also got volleyball nets over there, left. And then the beach, the football volleyball net. And right next door is the Pullman. I also reviewed the Pullman. You can check it out also on my main channel. But yeah, I think they also have some kind of romantic love chair there. Look at this. Seating over here. I think they can set it up for a romantic dinner or something, where you just be here alone and then they serve everything here. The beach part is actually very nice here. Very pretty. I think I would rather chill here than there. The water looks very, very nice here. Maybe we should go to the water here. You wanna go in the water here or in the pool?
Anything.
Okay.
Up to you.
Let's check out the lagoon pool first.
Last time we didn't.
No, I don't think so. I don't know. Did we go in the water even? Yes, we went in the water, but only in the pool, in the beach,
Yes.
in the ocean. I have to try out paddleboarding one time. I think it would look so funny. I would end up on TikTok from random people filming me.
Failed.
Yeah. Alright guys, let's check out the lagoon pool to change something there. These are the showers here. Oh, nice.
Someone is here.
I don't know. We can go, let's check out the lagoon pool first and then we're gonna chill out here. All right. I'm gonna show you now the bushiness of the lagoon pool. There's also a huge restaurant, a vegan hot pot. And this is where they have their afternoon tea. I think it's too early right now. If you're into nature, this is most like the #1 spot to be. Nature and culture. Old school. I mean, this is the first luxury beach resort in Vietnam. So this is as cultural as it gets. What do we have new here? Vietnamese cooking class. That's what we did in my last video as well. We have the lagoon pool, what we're gonna check out. Oh, look at this. Those are all the birds that are there. Even owls. And peacocks, they're roaming around in the morning. Oh, this is the vegan hot pot restaurant from Sapa, where we're gonna go now. Look at this. Can you walk down there? It's like you are in a resort, but basically in the jungle. And what they also explained to me the first time I came here, it is controlled chaos with the greens. So they want it to be like that. So you walk and you feel way more inside jungly. And we're gonna see the tire house. Beautiful trees over here. This is crazy. All those trees has this long arms there. And then the pool looks magnificent.
Welcome to my...
You got a beach bar over here. Now we're gonna check out the tire house real quick, which also looks super stylish. Yeah, this is the tire house. This is where I cooked mi quang the last time. Look at this. So this is the children's pool here and the main pool. You wanna stay here? There's a waterfall here. And look at this green. Yeah, it's completely jungle vibes here. All right, guys, check out this video what I did about that in February. I did a whole review on that, a 1-hour video. It's a huge, long video. Check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next one.